Sammy Wyn. Pas flair ganddi hi yn syth at Cahill. Yr ergyd gyntaf cael ei arbed. Ond Elisa Colley oedd yno. Y peiria'n sgorio i roi Caerdydd ar y blaen. Chwarter awr wedi mynd. A teg deud bod y gol yna wedi bod yn dŵad. Josh Williams yn methu gwarchod y bel allan. Mae yna gyfle gwirioneddol fan hyn! A mae'n 2-0 i Gaerdydd. A gai honna di'r gol sydd yn sicrhau pencampwriaeth prif adran Janeiro i'r tîm cartra. Chivers a'r bel oddi ar y trawst. Croesiad oedd i fod, dwi'n meddwl. Mae'n y bel yn cael ei dyrnu mlaen i'r bar. Gaerdydd yn dŵn y bel unwaith eto. Oakley yn ei gwneud hi'n dair. Ac ar ôl 10 munud o'r ail hannar, dos bosib na dyna ydy'r gol sydd yn sicrhau y bencampwriaeth i'r adar gleision. Chamberlain ar ochr i chwrs Cosby. Mae'n nath y golwr yn dda. Y cyfle Gaerdydd ymosod rwan. Y bel dros yr amddiffyn Cahill gyrra'n y gynta. Ac yn ei gwneud i'n bedair. Cic i'r lawr y cae. Cyffyrddiad ymlaen dros yr amddiffyn. A Molly Cahill yn rhwydo am y trydydd tro tymor yma yn erbyn Abertawe. Bosib iawn a nid honna fydd gol dwytha'r noson. A mae'r ail waith maen nhw wedi taro ffram y gol heno. Amddiffyn Caerdydd yn cael ei dal yn sefyll fel delwa am eiliad fanna. Caerdydd sy'n dathlu heno. Buddigoliaeth gyfforddus yn y diliw y lecwydd heno yn cadarnhau efo 2 gêm yn sbar na Caerdydd ydi pencampwyr prif adran Janeiro am yr ail dymor o'r bron.
Well, Ian, last season, it was 10 years since Cardiff City won the league. You've done it back-to-back now. You must be a very, very happy manager.
Yeah, we're incredibly proud of all the players and the staff for all the hard work they've put in this year. I thought we've been really good across the whole season. And yeah, listen, we set out a goal a couple of years ago to start winning trophies, start winning cups, start winning leagues, and we're doing that at the moment. And we've got to enjoy these really good times because they don't come often. So, I'm just incredibly proud of the group and all the staff behind the scenes.
There was a lot at stake in this one for Swansea as well. Were you expecting to win this one so comfortably because they had a lot to fight for, didn't they?
Yeah, obviously every game against Swansea is a tough game, and we just knew we had to do what we've been doing the last few weeks and for the rest of the season really. So just making sure that we play how we play and then we come away with the win.
2 goals for yourself as well. That must have been a pretty good feeling. The smile says it all.
It's always nice to score, obviously, and in a big game like this, it's always nice to get off the mark and help the team out, and it's just nice to get the goals for the club.
There's been so much change and development here at Cardiff, Siobhan, over the past couple of years. I know just how hard you girls work, how hard you train. How pleasing is it just to see all the hard work starting to pay off and that trophy cabinet starting to get a bit fuller?
Yeah, obviously that's why we work so hard for the trophies, to win every game. That's why we do it. So it's the perfect reward.
The treble is definitely still up for grabs as well, Ian. How excited are you to finish this season as strongly as you can, hopefully with another 2 trophies? Well,
we're going to learn our lessons from last year. I think we took our eye off the ball a little bit last season and it cost us a cup final. So, we're going to stay focused now. The girls will have we'll have a little mini break now. Obviously, we're going to game Sunday, but we've got a little gaps between the cup final. So we'll just manage the players throughout that. And listen, we're going to win everything. That's what we're trying to do. That's the way where our club should be. And hopefully we do that this year. We've got a league in the bag now, and now we can focus on them 2 cups.